What's going on, guys? Thanks for clicking on today's video. So I was originally planning on making this video a wheel reveal of some new wheels that I ended up buying, but things went a little south quickly at the start of filming this video, and this ended up happening. Holy shit, guys. So because of that, I don't know how much footage I'm gonna put into this video talking about the new wheels that I got. So what I'm probably gonna do is just make a whole separate video on doing the wheel reveal. I just think that this video is gonna have too much stuff to put in there. And it's kind of unfortunate what happened, but thankfully nobody got hurt. As far as the new wheels go, I think I'm gonna have to hold off on showing that. But for this video, hope you guys enjoy it. So right now I'm actually driving the car because, holy crap, this thing's rattling like crazy. I don't know if you guys can hear that. Anyways, we're not going very far, so hopefully the car's fine. But right now I'm just driving the car up the street because I need to get a thumbnail for the previous video. And I didn't want to get a thumbnail of the car just sitting in the garage. I wanted to get a little bit better thumbnail, so I'm gonna drive it just right up the road to like a parking spot or something like that. We're gonna pull into this parking lot right here. Hopefully it doesn't scrape. Oh, that did not sound good. Part of me kind of thinks that one of these wheels is loose. That's kind of what it felt like when I was driving, but I know I torqued all the lug nuts down. They don't appear to be loose. That one seems fine. So yeah, I'm thinking some kind of photo like that. Maybe zoomed in right there. All right, I think I got some pretty good photos for the thumbnail. And now I'm gonna go back home. Hopefully, I'm trying to see, I kind of want to try and see if the camera will pick up the noises that this car is making. I mean, I've never felt it just cruising through the neighborhood in third gear, except for today. So, kind of scary, but luckily I'm only like half a mile from my house, if that. Problem is the car is so loud that it's hard to hear the vibrations that it's actually making. And I don't think we're gonna make it out of there. So, I'm gonna reverse this thing, go out the other way. I love this parking lot because nobody's ever really here. But the only issue is that the two ways to get in are really steep, and I always scrape. Yep, just as I suspected. Holy shit, this is crazy. The wheel just came off the car. What the hell? Look at that. I'm just, right now, I'm like so happy that I didn't drive the car anywhere else, like onto the main road. because that wheel would have 100% gone off into traffic and probably would have hit somebody's car. So the tire itself seems to be okay, but yeah, my God, that wheel got fucked up. Look at that. I'm like super bummed right now that this wheel got messed up. Even though the car's sitting here like this, that rear fitment though, that's about what it would look like on bags. Not too bad. All right, I'm gonna try and show the car from this side. That's so crazy. One thing that I need to do too is I need to actually go pick up all of the lug nuts that are in the road. I didn't even think about that till right now, but I can see a couple back there, but as you can see, cars are still coming around the corner. So I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get all those lug nuts or not. Might try and run over there real quick, right after this truck. There's 1, 2, 3. Oh, we found 4. Holy crap, there's the 5th one. Found all the lug nuts. That's crazy. I'm still in shock right now. And I just noticed one thing too. The bumper right there on the car. I really don't know where to put the jack on this thing. It's so low. We gotta get creative here. Where would the jack go? Maybe right there? But then I don't know if the wheel will go on.
Just put it right on the axle.
And I can't get it under there.
If you can squeeze it under there. I'll just try to lift the car up.
Yeah, right.
I'll try to lift it up.
You're gonna grab the lug nut to do it? We might have to take the bumper off. And then I could put the jack right onto the frame support behind the bumper.
Well, the bumper's already screwed, so
I know.
Just jack it up right on the bumper.
Jack it up right on the bumper, like right there. That's a good spot. Right
Whatever's
there.
under there.
But I'm just saying the support bar.
You might have to put the board under it because it'll just sink into the grass.
All right.
Isn't it a little bit over? Or it's all there?
It's all the way over.
Yeah,
Ooh, I think we got it.
I don't think it's meant to the bumper. It's slipping over, I think. But now it's not bringing the axle up. The axle's still down.
Well, that's true, but it will eventually.
Well, suspension was up.
The exhaust is gonna start hanging down, but problem is, man, it's not gonna go up high enough.
You
Need another jack.
Try to put that board under here. Slip that board under there.
If I can get the jack right under there,
Wait.
maybe that right there.
Yeah.
Might have to dig a hole.
Well, actually, jack it up a little bit more, right where you had it, and then I'm going to put the board a little bit further.
It's not gonna go up. Can the board go under the brake rope?
Huh?
Can the board go under the brake rope? We're getting there.
Whoa, the spring is all screwed.
Huh?
Jack it back up. You should be able to get the jack somehow.
Stand like we're
I'm gonna have to take that brake line off. Ow.